For property investors, location is a primary consideration. Do you think that a condo close to subway station is a good choice? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, my client is a property investor. We're going to see a 2-bedroom, 2-washroom condo at a very good price on top of Finch TTC station in North York. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's take a look at this condo. We are on top of Finch TTC station. When we enter, we have the kitchen on the right. 3 sides countertop, the area is good. Living room is not too big. The countertop of the kitchen will also be used as dining table. The living room has enough space to put a sofa in one side and a TV on the other. The highlight of this location is that we are right on top of Finch TTC subway station. It's very bright. We can see the Finch station passenger pickup and drop off. We only have to walk 50 meters to reach the subway station. So even during rainy or snowy days, the subway station is at doorstep. Over there, we can see the residential area of North York with detached houses. In fall, we can see the red and yellow leaves. Fantastic view. There is a terrace. It's wide enough to put 2 garden chairs and a garden table. The 2 bedrooms are located on each side of the living room, so it's pretty good for privacy. This bedroom is not very big, about 90 square feet with a closet. The other bedroom is the master bedroom. There is a king-size bed and 2 nightstands. There is a very big closet and a washroom. Let's have a look at the bedroom from this angle. Close to the entrance, there is a common washroom. There is no bathtub, but a shower. The living room is not very big, but the bedrooms have a good layout and the location is extremely convenient. I think this condo is very attractive for tenants. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.